Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to get straight into this video because first of all, I recorded a talk through video and then I found out my microphone was not even on the whole time. But we are going to create a beautiful sultry smoky eye look for Valentine's Day. Go ahead and get your makeup out because we are about to get into it, and you only need two eyeshadows for this. So this is going to be super easy. I have already applied all my primer, my moisturizer, and then I also put on my foundation. Y'all know I love MAC. I'm a MAC girl. So here you can see that I am already doing my highlight, but I like to put a little bit of brightness along with the concealer that I'm already using. So you will see me layer it just a little bit because I do want my under eye to be a little bit brighter for this look. That's just preference. That's the way I like it. You don't have to do that, but I also let my concealer dry down just a little bit, and then I blend out the outer edges and then go back in with the lighter one and then blend that too. So I am going to bake my face because I don't want the fallout from the black color to fall on my face, which you don't want that either. So you might need to do face second, eyes first, and or just use the translucent powder to bake so the fallout will like fall on top of the powder. But as you can see, we are using our bronzer, and it does look a little bit messy, but we're just going to blend out the outer edges of what we did. Don't worry if it look messy. All makeup look messy until you finish. So I'm just going to drag that same product and contour my nose. Now we are going into with the black. Use a little bit of product at a time and build it. A little bit of product at a time and build it. I promise you, you don't want to rush this part. So now that I've got the desired look that I want on my lids, I'm just going to keep blending out until it looks smooth. And that's pretty much a smoky eye. We're going to do the same exact steps underneath, and then I'm going to tight line, do my eyeliner, and I'm going to apply some lashes. These lashes from Juvia's Place, I be spending the block on them like real bad. Love them. Absolutely love them. And plus I wanted something dramatic, so these were perfect. I applied my blush, which y'all know I love burnt pepper. And then I just take the remainder and do my nose and then a little bit on my forehead. I am actually happy with how this makeup is turning out, but I picked up some new lip colors, and look at the color, y'all. They pink. Y'all know how I feel about that. But these are LA Girl velvet lipsticks, and they're like matte, and they feel really good. But I'm gonna go in with the light pink shade because I feel like that's more for me right now. I do overdraw my lips, and we are using the MAC Chestnut lip liner. I could not believe how much I love this LA Girl lipstick. It's very, very pretty. It's smooth, it's not gritty, and then it blends out very well. So I love how it turned out. If you want to see the other shade, I could do a like a lip tutorial and show you that one as well. But I absolutely love how it came out. And then look at my hair. Waves on swim. I didn't even know my hair was long enough to do a bun, but how cute is this combination? So I'm just going to add a little bit of lip gloss by MAC, and this is pretty much going to complete the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day. Don't let nobody ruin your weekend. If you got to take yourself out, take yourself out. That's okay. But I got to go. I'm running late for work. Bye.